These are 4 methods to earn a passive income without doing almost anything. The only way to get rich is if you can start making money while you sleep. Otherwise, you will work until you die. The idea of the passive income is that you have to do something, and that something will keep generating you an income for a long or infinite amount of time. Take for example a property. If you buy a house and rent it, all you have to do is do one thing: buy the house itself, while you'll collect the rent month after month without having to do any work. Renting is the best example of passive income, and the methods I'm going to show you of earning passive income requires little to zero investments. Number 1. Selling merch. This is one of those methods that can actually make you rich while you only have to do the work once and then enjoy a steady passive income for a long time. I'm sure you've seen all these famous guys or brands that are selling their own merch like t-shirts or other items with their logo on them and making millions of dollars. You can start your own online merch shop without having any skills whatsoever, just using the images from the internet and letting a big website like Redbubble take care of every step of the manufacturing, shipping and selling the products. So basically, you can sell, for example, t-shirts with your design on them without making the design yourself and without making the t-shirts yourself. It all sounds crazy, but it is very real and quite simple to do if you know this simple trick. If you want to know more about this, then make sure to check out my video in the description, where I'll show you how to do it step by step. Of course, after watching this video. Number 2. Honeygain. Honeygain is a free website that shares your internet and pays you. You will get $5 for just signing up if you use the link in the description. It is available on all platforms like Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone and Linux, and it will actually pay you for basically nothing. You can earn anywhere between $20 up to $184 a month, and again, this is just for literally doing nothing but share your internet. Do not worry about data theft. Honeygain is secured. It ensures that your internet traffic is used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. Once you start using Honeygain, your devices act like view towers and help world-famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. So how this works is that you set it up on your device, the app will share your internet connection and never gaining access to your personal data. You wait for the app to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. Then credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparisons, and other verified businesses processes, and then the users like you earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or crypto. Of course, this will not make you rich, but it's a cool way of making money without doing anything literally. Just make sure you use the link in the description to get your free $5 bonus. Number 3. Earn money from your shopping. Rakuten will allow you to earn money every time you buy something, either from a real store or an online one. This is a very smart system. The shop pays Rakuten to bring them customers, and Rakuten shares those money with you. Of course, you cannot use this system in every store, but there are many stores that accept it, even big ones like Walmart and Nike. Also, is a wonderful method to save money when traveling. You can get amazing offers on hotels, car rentals, plane tickets, vacation packages, or even cruising. Not only you will get some of your money back on any service or product you get, but also you get a massive discount as well. You can withdraw your money using either bank transfer or PayPal, and your money are right in your account. A little bonus: when you sign up using the link in the description, you get a $10 bonus for free. Number 4. ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate-based product marketplace where you can choose from lots and lots of products to promote and get a commission for every sale you get. Now you can manually spread the product online through social media and get sales for free. Or you can turn this business into a truly passive income, which means you'll have to do zero work and still get a lot of sales. This method is Google advertising. You can pay Google to advertise that product and get a ton of sales because Google will show ads to people who are actually interested in that subject only, which grants you the higher chances for getting sales on a product you don't even own, don't even manufacture or ship it. Basically, you'll turn this business on autopilot. by letting Google to do all the work for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, of course. Also, this video right here will get you in the right rich minded set in just a few minutes.